और फिर भी चल रहे हैं आपको मुंबई, जहां सलमान खान इस वक्त गीता को वापस लाने की मुहिम पे कुछ कह रहे
लाइफ
हैं।
आउट हियर is a lot better than it was there. Otherwise, फिर point क्या है? And I think the government is looking into it, and I think they're very competent people, and I think they should take this to the end result of it. If she agrees, and if they find her her rightful parents, then I think this should definitely be done. जी हाँ क्योंकि बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है, एंड वी ट्राई टू नॉट हर्ट एनीबॉडी सेंटिमेंट्स, तो वही है हम। और ये तो हमारा बैकड्रॉप था पिक्चर का, द एक्चुअल स्टोरी इज एक सच्चा भोला आदमी एक बच्ची को अपने घर छोड़ के आता है। उसको बाद में पता चलता है ये पाकिस्तानी है, फिर पहले पता चलता है कि मुसलमान है, ऐसा लगता है कि ये ब्राह्मण है, फिर पता चलता है कि क्षत्रिय है। तो धीरे धीरे करते उसकी भी ग्रोथ होती रहती है एक बच्ची के थ्रू इस लाइफ के अंदर, कि लोग अच्छे हैं।
So do you think you are misunderstood in a sense?
That will be a nicer time to talk about that, and at that point of time I will talk about it. We will let this be to Bajrangi and Bajrangi Bhaijan. I would love to answer right now, but there will be too many people here. There is also a point of view, Yeah. We will do this. We will do this at a much later time. We won't do this. It will. Yeah, Bajrangi is still in theaters. Yeah.
Talking about movies, Mr. Khan, of course.
We will do this at a later time, and I will not even have to do it all. Everything will just.
जो गीता का वीडियो आया था जब
जी
और सारे चैनल चला रहे थे,
जी
तो न्यूज नेशन ने एक मुहिम छेड़ी थी कि
सर यहाँ पे वाईफाई नहीं है सर, मैं नहीं देख पाया।
तो मैं आपको बता दूं सलमान कि न्यूज नेशन ने एक मुहिम छेड़ी थी कि गीता को घर वापस लाना है, क्योंकि उस वीडियो में उसने साफ इशारों से कहा था कि मैं यहाँ खुश नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को देखना चाहता हूँ। तो सलमान आप सबकी हेल्प करते हैं, एक उम्मीद उसने भी लगाई हुई है
जी
हिंदुस्तानियों से
जी, but अभी now I think the government has taken this issue over. If they would not have taken this issue over, then definitely we would have done something about. But for us to find out कि माँ बाप कौन है, कहाँ से आई थी, that would be really difficult. और कहीं गलत माँ बाप के पास पहुँच जाए, she's not happy with it, then so right now let the government officials take care of this, and I'm sure that they will, both the sides, I'm sure they'll do a great job of that. But if she wants to meet me and stuff like that, when she's here, then I will definitely like.
Mr. Khan, sir, you're talking about movies, Sholay coming.
Sir Salman Khan, you said. Yeah.
Talking about Sholay coming 40 years.
Yeah.
It was one of the greatest movies and great scripts written by, of course,
Ji.
Salim Saab. So you can tell us something about it. How it influenced you as an actor?
Huh? Yeah. So when we were growing up, I remember we went to see the premiere of Sholay. Arbaz and me both went to Sindhya school. तो सिंधिया स्कूल के ब्लेजर वेजर पहन के हम लोग गए थे, आई थिंक मिनरवा या so we went there, huh? Yeah. So the premiere was there, so my father took us there. The first time that we ever saw a premiere of a movie. And that film, surprisingly, for 2 weeks was a huge disaster. वो पिक्चर 2 हफ्ते तक चली ही नहीं. Apparently they went back to shoot the climax of the death of making Bachchan Saab relive in the movie and stuff like that. But then after 2 weeks the film just took it to the next level. From that film I've learned one thing, that is one film that has turned information lines into dialogues. कितने आदमी थे? He's asking कितने आदमी थे? But the way those lines were said, were spoken, they turned out to be dialogues, and from everyone. You know, they were small characters. You know, होली कब है? गब्बर सिंह says. तुम्हारा नाम क्या बसंती? इस